first time, failed devolution. Mr. Speaker, this Senate, for the very first time, went against its own committee. Mr. Speaker, the committee, which is chaired by the distinguished senator from Mandera, is a committee of this House. The committee proposed that we, in this committee, in this parliament, agree with the Commission of Revenue Allocation by sending money, 407 billion shillings, to counties. If the distinguished senator from Nandi would like me to substantiate my facts, I'll be more than happy, Mr. Speaker. And the first thing I'll table here are two things. One, I'll table the report of the Committee of Finance, chaired by the very able party leader, EGH, chairman, Captain Ali Roba, who recommended that we send 407 billion. Mr. Speaker, this is something that I'm willing to be able to defend. And we will cry for a very long time, Mr. Speaker. It is absolutely ludicrous for any one of us to purport to say that this Senate has promoted devolution by agreeing with the national government. Our task is very simple, Mr. Speaker. Our task is to defend devolution. In fact, the very Division of Revenue bill that my brother is now inviting me to comment on says that, Article 218 says that when we deviate from the recommendation of the Commission of Revenue Allocation, we must give substantive reasons. The reasons which were given in the Division of Revenue bill, the memoranda, to try and justify the deviation from the Commission of Revenue, when the National Assembly proposed that we send 385, was that money was set aside to pay the hustler